Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to log into your Jupiter crypto application. If you are looking for a way to restore your wallet on Jupiter or you want to log into your account, simply follow the steps till the end. Launch open your Jupiter application and from the first interface, click on Import Wallet to log into your existing wallet. On the next page, enter your recovery phrase or your private key that you previously backed up. If you don't have your secret phrase or private key, you will lose access to your wallet, so always make sure to back up your wallet before logging out. Once you have your backup phrases or private key, you will now need to enter it in the text box. After typing down your secret recovery phrase or your private key, click on Continue at the bottom and then select your wallet that you want to import. Click on Continue once done, and your wallet will now be imported and it is ready for use. That's how you easily log into your existing Jupiter crypto wallet. All you need is your private key or your secret phrases, and you will be good to go. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out on another update from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.